Dear students, good morning. Today we are going to continue exercise 3.2 of square and square roots. In this video we are going to solve some word problems. We will solve a question of repeated subtraction, and also we will be solving one part each of to be multiplied case and to be divided case. So let us see how we solve these questions, and you have to do these questions all parts in your fair copy. Students, today's first question I am taking from 3.2, question number 4. Without any calculation, find the number of digits in the square root of each of the following numbers. So this is very easy and simple case. What you have to do is to underline the given number from right side. You have to make the pair. This is the first pair and 9 is left single. So how many underlines you have done? You have done 2 underlines, so its answer is 2 digits. Okay, so in the next part also what you have to do is to make the pair from the right hand side. This is the first pair, this is the second pair, and this is the third pair. So the square root of this number will have 3 digits. So its answer is 3 digits. It's very simple. Next is number 5. It is a word problem. As I will do this question in the same way, you have to do question number 6. Same. In an auditorium, the number of halls, the number of rows is equal to the number of chairs in each row if the capacity of the auditorium is 2304. Find the number of rows in the auditorium. Capacity means how many people can sit in the hall to listen some program. Okay, auditorium is a hall where we listen some program. So this can be understood easily with this representation. I am making a rough diagram of the auditorium. The diagram is in a square shape. Why in a square shape? Because in question it is all given that the number of rows is equal to the number of chairs. Okay. When both the things are same, and this is the chapter of square and square roots, so we know that in a square the two adjacent sides are equal. So we can write here number of chairs and we can write here number of rows. And its capacity, this is an auditorium. Its capacity is of sitting 2304 people. So we can find it like this. Number of chairs is equal to under root of 2304, because when these two numbers will be multiplied, if this is x, then this is also x. Okay, so x into x gives you x square, and that x square is this number. So we are going to find the square root of this number. using the prime factorization method. Two 304. This is an even number, so we'll start by with 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, and 2 fives are 10, and 2 twos are 4. Again it's even number, so 2 fives is 10, 2 sevens is 14, 2 sixes are 12. Again it's even number, 2 twos are 4, 2 eights are 16, 2 eights are 16. Again 2 ones are 2 fours are 2 fours are 2 72s are 2 36 are 2 18s are 2 9s are 3 3s are and 3 1s are. Okay. So this number can be expressed in this way. If you are not able to make the straight line, you can use the scale. Okay, but the copy should be very fair. This is the first pair, this is the second pair, this is the third pair, this is the fourth pair. Okay, 4 pairs of 2 and 1 pair of 3. First pair, second pair, third pair, fourth pair, 1 2 3 4, and last pair is of 3. So first pair single digit is out, second pair single digit is out, third pair single digit out, fourth pair single digit out, and last pair 3 out. So 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 2 is 16, and 16 3 is 48. So the answer will be find the number of rows. So it's 48 rows is the answer. Okay, in the same way you will solve question number 6 also. This the student of the class contributed money for the camp relief. If each child contribute as many rupees as the number of children in the class, if the total collection is 5184, find the number of find the strength of the class, means number of students in the class. Okay, so the number of children and the money contributed by them is same. Okay, so you will use the same diagram. Here the number of students and here money contributed by each child. Okay, the amount will be here. So the sense is same. You will solve it using the same space. Now I am going to solve question number 7. Find the square root of the following by the repeated subtraction method. I have already told you how to find the square root using the repeated subtraction in the introduction video, first video. I am taking here second part, that is 121. Repeated subtraction means you have to subtract the given number by a series of consecutive odd numbers. This is 121. First odd number is 1. So 121 minus 1 is 120. 120. Next odd number is 3. Next is 5. Then 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, and so on. So you have to go till you get 0 here. So 120 minus 3 is 117. 117 minus 5 is 112. 112 minus 7 is 105. 105 minus 9 gives you 96, and 96 minus 11 gives you 85. 85 minus 13 is 72. 72 minus 15 is 57. 57 minus 17 is 40. 40 minus 19 is 21. Lastly, 21 minus 21. After 19, the next odd number is 21. So 21 minus 21 is 0. Now you have to count the number of subtraction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. 11 times we have subtracted to find 0. So the answer is 11 itself. Okay, students. So the exercise 3.2 is now finished. You will do all the questions in your copy. Now I'm going to help you a little bit more. This is one more part of to be multiplied case. Okay, the number is 47068. No, this was solved already. Fourth part, it is 1300. To be multiplied case means this number is not the perfect square number, so we have to multiply something to it. This is an even number, so half of 1300 is 650. Half of 650 is 325. Now this number will be divided by 5. 5 6 is 30, 5 5 is 25. 5 13 is 65, and 13 ones are. Okay. So we have pair. We have a pair of 5, but 13 is not in pair. Okay. If you multiply it by 13, then the pair will be complete. So which number is required? 13 is more required here to make the pair. So we'll write here 13 is the required smallest number to be multiplied to 1300 to get a perfect square. Okay, so I'm going to make the perfect square. So we'll write here new perfect square. So 1300 will be multiplied by our 13. Square of 13 is 169 and 00 is here. Now square root of 16900. You know that this number can be split like this. 13 into 13 is 169, and this 100 can be made 10 into 10. Okay, you understand this. 10 into 10 is 100 and 13 into 13 is 169. So make the pair and pull it out. 13 into 10, the second answer is 130. First answer is this 13 and second answer is this one. Very simple. One more part of to be divided case. This to be divided case I'm going to solve. 24,000. It's fifth part of question number 3. You can refer in your book. 24,000 is an even number, so I will divide it by 2. Half of 24 is 12. 000 is there. Half of 12 is 6. Half of 6 is 3. Half of this 30 is 15, and 00 is all along. Half of 1500 is 750, and half of 750 is 2 3 ja 6, 2 7 ja 14, 2 5 ja is 10, and this number will be divided by 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 25 ja 75, and 5 25 ja is 125, and 5 5 ja is 25, and 5 1 ja is 5. Okay. So first pair of 2 is complete. This is also complete, and this pair of 5 is complete. 3 and 5 are not in pair. Okay. So if we give it 1 3 and I give it 1 5, then it will make a to be multiplied case. Okay, but in this case it is the to be divided case. So students, always remember, in to be divided case we have to remove the numbers that are not making the pairs. Okay, always remember this. So we'll write here 24,000 is needed to be divided by 3 5 is 15. So first answer is this. Okay, 15. Now you have to make the perfect square. Perfect square formed. For making the perfect square, you have to divide the question by the numbers that are not going to make the pair. 3 5 is not making the pair. Now when you will divide this by 15, you get 1600. Now the square root of 1600 will be represented in the same way. 16 can be written like this, 4 into 4, and this 100 that is multiplied here can be represented by 10 into 10. So if you make the pair of 4, 4 is out of these two tens, 1 10 is out, so 4 tens is 40. This is the second answer. Okay, so students, I hope that you have understood the to be multiplied case and to be divided case by heart. Okay, and hence the exercise 3.2 is now complete. Thank you.